This video should have already been up since in October. You guys remember when I did the golden apples for my class, right? So these are the skin, and I'm gonna blend them up and make some golden apple juice with them, which is the national juice of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. So yes, I dumped them all in the blender, the skin. So I dump all the skin in the blender, and yeah, I had them blend. I can't even remember how long I was blending it for, but I blended them for like about 30 to 45 seconds, and I went ahead and filtered it in my filtering bag. And yeah, these are the results. So smooth, so it was so tasty. Then I felt like something was missing, so I went ahead and I blended some ginger, and I add the blended ginger to the mixture, just for some extra taste. I don't know. To me, the ginger makes it taste so much better. So I gotta have my ginger, and yeah. I also went ahead and I sweetened it with some white sugar. I added cinnamon and some other spices in it, and yeah, girl, this juice was so good. It was so good.